In my continuing series on pictures from my deviantart page under Skphile, we now have the birds of prey. Here they are with their vehicle. It's especially outfitted so Oracle can also drive it. Normally, Huntress and Black Canary ride their motorcycles. Here are the figures in their original box art. Very hard to find now and very expensive. Here's an overhead shot. Here's a dynamic poster from the comic book series. Here are Huntress and Black Canary with their rides at an apartment building in Gotham. Here is what would be my wish, a modern version of Oracle, Black Canary, and Huntress in a new Birds of Prey set. Here's more of a straight-on picture of the Birds of Prey. Oracle has her computer in her lap. Here we have just Oracle and Huntress. For those who don't know, Oracle is the former Batgirl, the original Batgirl, who was shot in the spine by the Joker, became paralyzed, so she became the master of the internet. All the heroes rely on her. But she has her own team, the Birds of Prey. Here's an example of one of the pictures. This is one of the comic books. This is the symbol that Oracle has on her computer. And that's it. Hope you liked it.